Today you will learn how to ask for directions in English. Easy and simple phrases. Always be polite. Repeat after me. Excuse me. Sorry to bother you. Could you help me?
Excuse me, Rhonda. Excuse me. Hi.
I'm sorry to bother you.
Hi. Could you help me? My phone's dead. I'm trying to get to Peckham House.
Asking for directions. Use this sentence. How do I get to and add place? Airport, bathroom, subway.
Do you know how to get home?
Of course I know how to get home. Eeny, meeny.
Security guard, do you know where the bathroom is?
Is there a subway station near here?
Streets and turns. Listen and repeat. Go straight. Turn left. Turn right. It's around the corner.
Feeling lost, mate? Just go straight.
Turn left at the stop sign. Turn left.
Yes, it's just around the corner to your right, and you can come back and sign in afterwards.
Thanks.
These phrases help you understand directions. It's next to the bank. It's across the street. It's not far from here.
Yeah, it's across the street.
It's across the street from the sushi place.
It's across the street.
It's not far from here.
Actually, it's not far from here.
Use these phrases when you travel. Take the train. Take the bus. Get on the bus. Get off at the next stop.
I told him to take the train.
And what time did you take the train there?
You didn't have to get on the bus in the first place, Ortiz.
Get on the bus!
Get off at the next stop.
But you have to get off at the next stop.
We'll get off at the next stop.
These questions are very common. Is this the right bus? Does this train go to the city center?
Is this the right bus?
Yes, it is. Where are you headed?
Does this train go to Paris?
Use these phrases to be friendly. When helping someone with directions, you can say, sure, of course, no problem.
Well, it's very easy to find out.
Hurry up, you can't miss it.
If you go back to the elevator and make a right, you can't miss it.
Excuse me, how do I get to the station?
Go straight and turn right.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
When we use it, go in a straight line. Go straight for about 200 meters, then turn left. Don't turn, continue forward. The supermarket is easy. Just go straight. Turn right means change direction to the right or go to the right side. At the traffic light, turn right. Go along means move parallel to something, road, river, wall, or follow the same street or river for a while. Go along this street until you see the big supermarket. Go across Mean Cross from one side to the other side. Cross a street, bridge, square, river. Go across the bridge and then turn left. Turn around mean change direction 180 degrees. Go back the way you came. You passed the place, made a mistake, then go back. Oh no, we passed it. Turn around. Opposite it's directly facing on the other side of something. The bank is opposite the post office. Next to, it's very close side by side, right beside two things touching or almost touching. The pharmacy is next to the supermarket. In the middle of two things or people. The cafe is between the bank and the library. On is used as specific address or road tables. Streets, numbers. The hotel is on Main Street. At its exact point, building or place, not the surface. Addresses, stations. Meet me at the station. The shop is at 25 King Road. Go past its continue moving and pass something without stopping. When you walk or drive by a place, go past the church and then turn left. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Let's learn English easier.